Okay, good morning, YouTube. Today is Tuesday, June 10th, and here's where we're going. We're going to the public library and the McCallum Theater. Here's the library. A little noisy. We'll walk over this way by the library. This is the Palm Desert Library, as we can see here. Let's go look at this statue. No, it's not a statue, huh? There we go. That's kind of different. Okay. Community room. Okay. Let's just go see if this is the main entrance. Yeah, here's the main entrance. And they open at 10. Well, looks like they're open 7 days a week. Every day from 10 and Sundays at 1. Okay. So let's head on over to the theater. Going back to the main road, this is Fred Waring Drive in Palm Desert. So head over this way. And you can see that's where we just were. Let's see if we can make this light. And here's some things here. And here's the Sunline Transit Agency, the bus stop. It's in front of the theater, fairly close. So, good transportation. And then here it says this garden is dedicated in the honor of Robert Armstrong for his support of campus beautification. There's some more palm trees. Okay, we're coming up to the main entrance here. Oh, here's the McCallum Theater in Palm Desert. And it's a nice greenery, flowers, flags. So we got a view here of main entrance. You can see. Now let's walk around here a little bit. It's not that hot, it's only about 90 out here. This is it says Jackie Lee and Jim Hudson Plaza, 2004. Here's the rest of it going this way. So we walk right up here and look at the marquee. Oh, there's a bunch of stars names here. And here's the fountain. can see how they have stars' names here. I think these are people that dedicate the theater, though. It doesn't look like anybody's name that I recognize. But you know that's there. Okay. There's some more there. This is out in front of it. Okay, there were some people in there. And here's this. And there you go. So we'll look at it this way. The fountain's not on though, as you can see. And some more of the squares on the tiles here. Well, I didn't think anybody'd be there that early, but they sure were, weren't they? We'll go back out this way. Okay, well, I think that's it for today. My camera's starting to heat up. Like I said, it's 90 out here, so this is a quick tour of the McCallum Theater and surrounding area, which is the library. So, hope everybody saw what they wanted to see, and if you have any questions, just let me know, and we'll think of another good place to go tomorrow or the next day. If you have any questions, complaints, and don't forget to subscribe and just let me know. And that's it for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.